God, I should do something good. Oh, I know. I can turn the whole vyond city to whiteboard animation. Ha 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 ha. Yay, it worked.
What just happened?
I don't know, honey. Daisy, Kalo. Come here now.
What just happened?
Somebody pressed the whiteboard button. It can't be Arthur. He does not know about whiteboard. It couldn't be Alex. He is my friend. But it would be Rosie. Rosie did it.
Oh, she's gonna be in big trouble.
Wow, it seriously worked.
Rosie, how dare you change us to whiteboard animation? Alex will be mad.
Come in.
Rosie, this isn't the state we wanted. I live this way, not other people. Say sorry right now.
Sorry, Yi.
Press the button now.
Rosie, how dare you turn us whiteboard? You're ultra mega grounded. Meaning I'd 1,000 years. You're grounded for 1,000,000,000,000,000 years. Adds up to 1,000,000,000,000,000,000. Sleep now.